This is a map from 1814, 1 year after the event in which Napoleon got defeated and sent to an island in the southern Atlantic Ocean to spend the rest of his life there. For orientation, let's flip the map and put north where it belongs, the top of a map. If you ever had the pleasure to visit Leipzig, you probably spent some time on the Marktplatz. I could have probably said the same thing to you in the 1800s. But in 1813, in October to be precise, the largest battle in history until World War I was fought just on the doorstep of Leipzig. Napoleon fought Russia, Austria, Prussia and Sweden all at the same time in one battle here in Leipzig. After 4 days of war, about 120,000 soldiers were wounded or had died. Napoleon retreated. 100 years later, in 1913, the construction of a monument was finished to remember every human to never have a war like this again. In the same place where Napoleon stood, overlooking the war.